Beauty Thanksgiving. Oh my God, look at this machine. Ayo! Oh, we're gonna take this thing for a spin before we get ripping. Surprised you're not riding with the top down.
Oh, hey, Dad.
How's it going?
Pretty bad.
Yeah, a little beat up.
A little beat up.
I say we put the top down and go for a quick rip. I'll throw up the drone.
Let's do it.
All right. Anyways, what's up, guys? How's it going? Mark Freeman 408. Hope you subscribe, hit notifications, because we're gonna cause some trouble. Let's rip it. Mav time.
I'm in 8.
You're in 8, you're good to go.
Good.
A little different from the Mustang, eh?
Need anything at the store, hon?
Yeah, grab me a coffee. So we ran into a bit of an issue the other day. This is Mitch, by the way. You guys may remember him from the Paki chip challenge. It wasn't very fun. We cried. It ruined our night and ruined the next morning as well.
That's for sure.
Anyways, we tried to jump this thing the other day. Transmission shot, so this is as far as it made it. It rolled down the hill. Then Brad tried to push me out and he ended up getting hung up right here. So I had the idea today that we should have a tug of war with the Saturn versus the Mav Money. I think this thing will start. It probably needs a boost. We got all the keys. Hey, which key you need? Take them all.
I'll put all 3 in at once.
You probably just need the Saturn key, but might have to pop the hood, I'm guessing. She did?
She did.
She did.
She did.
All right, let's pop the hood, get her boosted, and then we'll take this thing for a few rip and spins. Look at this evening, like, can't ask for evenings like this, that's for sure. Pop that hood. See if we can bring this thing back to life. We got the NOCO, she fueled up. See what she's got. Just gotta wiggle these old girls around. Because it didn't park. Rev her up. Oh. Is there any gas in this thing?
A little bit.
Just a little bit. This thing just does not like you, eh? There you go. Rolling coal. That's how you know it's good. All right, put her in drive. I'll pull you out here. In reverse. To go. This is a great pull machine. They see Mitch rolling. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You got me. Got you good. That's what this thing's built for, ramming and jamming. Oh yeah, by the way, there's no brakes in this thing.
The notch, she runs like a top.
Should we just leave it on there and do a tug of war backwards?
Sure.
Now let's see why not. You know, when in Rome, right? All right, let's. We'll go over to a more open area. Good. All right, the beast versus the beast. Couple of weapons. That's perfect. Oh yeah. So I'm thinking this gonna win, but I don't know. These Saturns, they're a pretty incredible machine.
Real sturdy, made of wood.
No, they're made of plastic.
Oh, okay.
You can't dent them. It's frustrating. You can dent the roofs though. The roofs are metal.
It's a real shame they went out of business.
I know, right? Well, it's because they were so good that they didn't fall apart like the rest of the vehicles. Plastic doesn't rust, remember? All right, let's tug away. I haven't really looked in the Saturn yet. Anything cool in there?
We got a 3-pack of flares. That's pretty fucking cool.
I think we should light those bad boys up.
Oh, it's a 2002.
Wow, this is like a book.
Yeah.
Published and everything. You know, this is why they went out of business. They were spending too much on the manuals.
It's a hardcover.
Fire up a flare. Oh, flare. Can't imagine they'd still be good, but I don't see why they wouldn't be good.
Do flares have like an expiration date? Or?
I think so. 15 minutes too.
So what do? Just open it?
Thank you. And then you gotta take the cap off, and then you spark it like a match.
Just like this?
Yeah. Put some muscle into it. Oh, hey! Happy birthday to you. Can you blow it out though? Uncle Mitch, I think that was a pretty fair fight.
I obviously won.
I don't know about that. That should be fine there, right? There, we'll just enclose it in its coffin. Don't you go anywhere, Noco. We just gotta remember it's under there for later.
What now?
Hey, you tell me, show me how it's done. Some reverse donuts, some wheelies, whatever you got. You ever done a Rockford?
No, what's that?
It's where you drive real fast in reverse, spin around and throw it and drive.
Turnaround.
Yeah, Texas turnaround. Go up the old freestyle landing there. Your flare's still going, by the way.
Sick.
Still flaring around. Texas turnaround. Look, he somehow managed to do a burnout on dirt. All the way. I'm all the way up. I wasn't up the hill at all. That was the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen. Go right to the top. Right to the top, wide open.
I need more speed.
More Top Gun, more speed. Oh man, beautiful day. If you guys are outside enjoying this day right now, get outside and enjoy it. There we go. You're getting there. A little faster. Oh, there goes the flare. Oh, he put it out. I don't think that flare was invincible because as soon as he ran it over, it put it out. Unless it's somehow up underneath the car. Oh no, no, he just put it out. Junk flare. Junky. All right, I want to see you one more time, but right to the top, wide open. Handbrake action. Handbrake doesn't matter when you're going to reverse. I'm all the way up. Well, don't go over the top.
Oh shit!
What'd you do?
I think I'm stuck.
Oh, did you go right over? Get her rocking. Oh man. Yeah, you can only go too far and then you get hung up.
I think I went too far and I got hung up.
Looks like it. Old Mav to the rescue again. Got the drone, doing drone things. Hopefully I don't break it. You got that thing rigged up yet? There should be a hook. There's a hook underneath there, is there not?
Oh.
Pretty sure there was one the other day when I hooked it up. Like right under the bumper. What? No more slack? You're just gonna hook it to the door jam?
No, I'm gonna hook it.
Never know what he's doing back there. You good?
You just rolled down while I was under it. That would have been sick.
You might want to get in and hit the brakes.
Yeah, because those are working.
The e-brake. Perfect. Kind of disappointed in you.
You know what? Hey, Dad.
You know how to run this thing, right? Just watch your finger on the white.
Yeah. What? My finger in the what?
On the white end.
Just the entire video is my finger. Like I'm an 80-year-old.
Oh, the e-brake's on. I think we took reverse out of it. There's no reverse left.
Uh-oh.
We gotta drive though. That's what's scary. Where we stop, nobody knows. Jeez, I was all excited for reverse.
I wonder what happened.
Ruin it forever.
Yeah.
It might have been the drive to reverse to drive wide open.
It could have been that. Maybe. It's like cars aren't supposed to do that.
I got a really good idea that will work for drive. I can try and ramp that old fence over there.
Yo, sweet jumps.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Might want to go over there and get a better angle.
All right. You're leaking some stuff out the bottom there. Oh yeah. Possibly.
See kids, this is why you don't hit stuff in drive, but I had no choice. So I did it, and that's what happens. You take the rad out. Anyways, we'll wrap this one up for now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I guess we'll be jumping this sometime later this week. So have a fantastic night. Don't do anything we wouldn't do, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.